Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add shadow in Picsart. Adding shadows in Picsart enhances the depth and realism of your images, making objects and text appear more three-dimensional. This can significantly improve the overall aesthetics of your designs, giving them a professional touch. So in order to add shadows in Picsart, go ahead and open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and select an image that you want to edit. Import the image on your editing screen and then tap on the text button at the bottom of the screen and add text for your image. After typing in the text for your image, you can go ahead and align the image by tapping on the alignment option at the bottom left. Place it on your desired area and then tap on the tick mark at the top right hand corner. Now as you have your image on your screen, you can go ahead and resize the image by simply dragging along its edges on your preview screen. Place it on a desired area. You can use the rotate tool, drag the edges of your layer and select how you want it to appear on your screen. After you have your text on the image, you can now go ahead and look for the shadow option at the bottom. Adjust the shadow direction by adjusting the blur, opacity, position, colors, and much more. Select the color you want for your shadow and make any other adjustments according to your preference. And then, after you are done, you can also go back to the bottom menu and look for the color option to change your text color according to your preference, choosing from the palettes. You can also increase or decrease the gradient effect, select the texture of the text just to stylize and improve the overall aesthetics of your design. You can explore around and find the perfect design for your project, and once you are done with it, click on the Apply button at the top right hand corner. Now, to export your image, click the Next button at the top right and save your images by clicking on the Save button, or simply share your images on different social media platforms or with friends by tapping on the Post option at the bottom right. So that is how you can quickly and easily give your images a polished and dynamic look by adding shadows. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.